There's only one villain waiting to stick it to you the day you buy a new vehicle, and his name? Depreciation. Think of this can of cola as my brand spanking new minivan. Then I take it home. It's already lost 30% of its sticker price. Would you buy this can of used cola at full price? This is your minivan 4 years from now. Then it gets into an accident. Totaled. Your insurance guy will likely write you a limp check. Optium will write you a check for what you paid for, full price, including HST, for up to 7 years if you bought your minivan new. And it gets even better. Optium will pay your original purchase price for up to 5 years if you bought your vehicle used. No regular car or truck insurance even touches that. Buy new or used with Optium, and you'll never get caught shorted.